What is up, YouTube family? I am Brandy Lucas. Thank you for stopping by my channel. So today I am taking you guys into the salon with me as I go through the procedure of coloring my hair. So I am in the middle of a summer hair series where I'm sharing tips and tools with you guys to take great care of your hair in these high heat months. And today I'm talking color. Information on a blog post that I dove a little bit deeper in the particulars of color and some other resources that I have, but for the visual component of it, I'm bringing you guys into my salon and showing you how I color my hair. So if you're interested in the best ways and things to do to maintain your hair color at home or between salon visits, then this video, my friend, is for you. Stay tuned. So I am back at the shampoo bowl preparing to shampoo my hair prior to putting my color on. I am putting on black, of course. I love black for pixie cuts. I like fashion colors and other colors too. For myself personally, I like black because I like the fullness, I like the sheen, I like the density that it gives my hair. Black is just classic, traditional, can't go wrong with black. So I always do black. I generally put my black color in every 8 weeks or so, and I'm overdue. How I know it's time for me to color my hair is when I can see brown tones in it. This is my hair post workout. So I ran a couple of miles this morning and this is what I was left with. But it's my off day, so this is my day to pull my look together. I will have it together when I leave here. So I am going to shampoo and condition my hair to prepare for my color. This is my favorite part. I love a good shampoo. I would much rather kicking my feet up and having my hair shampooed by somebody else, but the life I live, that does not happen very often. So you see me just thoroughly wetting my hair down. You always want to add shampoo to thoroughly wet hair. I'm using a moisturizing shampoo because of course I'm going to color my hair, so I want to be mindful that I am maintaining the moisture levels in my hair, and I'm just going in and getting in there good all over my head, making sure that I am cleansing both my hair and my scalp. I'll do this once, rinse it out, and then do it again, and then it is time to apply my color. I am fresh out of the shampoo bowl. Hair is feeling great. One common mistake that's often made between shampooing and applying rinses, I'm talking rinses and semis, talking to you guys because that's what I hope you're using if you're coloring your hair at home and not permanent color. What you want to avoid is shampooing and then conditioning your hair right after, then rinsing the conditioner and coloring your hair. You can skip that process in this instance and go from your shampoo to shampoos to make sure that the hair is thoroughly cleansed, and then follow with the color. Let the color process, rinse the color, and then add your conditioner. So that's what I'm about to do. If you plan on coloring your hair black, then I highly suggest you use a black towel to make sure that you are not damaging your bath towels or the towels that you have around the house. So basically I am very short pixie length. So what I like to do to make sure that I evenly distribute the color is just section my hair into 4 sections to give me a good lay of the land so I can see and make sure that I'm applying color everywhere. All right, let's get into it. I am applying a demi permanent color, but the procedure that I'm showing you guys works for a rinse, a semi, a demi. I highly suggest that you apply the color from a bowl with a brush. It'll give you the opportunity to apply the color evenly and more thoroughly. Again, I am not suggesting that anyone use permanent color and permanently color your own hair. I am a licensed stylist, y'all, so I have my feelings and I get in my feelings about chemical services being done at home by non-professional people, because I see so much hair as well as scalp damage as a result. Just because they sell these things in the store does not mean that we should take it into our hands, no matter how many times we have seen people do them or watch videos on it. Chemicals like relaxers and permanent colors should be provided by stylists. Those services should be done by stylists. Okay, I'm off my tangent. I am going through again with my color and my brush. I'm taking small sections and I am making sure that I am applying the color to the roots of my hair first, because if that's the new growth, that is the hair that would be brownish in my natural color. So I'm making small parts and applying. I don't have to have a big, huge, heaping amount of color. I'm applying the color in small sections from the roots to the ends of my hair. It's going around my entire head and applying the color. Definitely doing it this way so you guys can see the sectioning that I'm using, as well as how important it is to use the applicator brush to get the color where you need it to go. I'm focusing on one side of my head at a time, not just splashing color all over my head. I have sideburns as well as a tail in the back, so you'll see that I am taking time to make sure that the color is distributed down the tail, the nape of my neck, around the edges, and on my sideburns. If you have gray hair, it's very important that you are intentional to apply the color on those areas like the temples and the hairline, because what you don't want to do is go through the process of applying a color and then you still have shimmering little pieces of color of hair that weren't color, or maybe you're adding a reddish or some other color, and you have your natural hair's colors sticking out in certain areas. So you want to take small partings. You want to travel around the head in sections, starting from the middle, doing one section from your hairline to the nape of your neck, and then travel around your head, continuing to part in small sections, using your applicator brush to apply. Once you have applied all your color, you want to grab a comb with close teeth and use it to comb the color through your hair. So the goal is to get the color from your roots to the ends of your hair throughout your entire head thoroughly. This is a great way to ensure that you don't have spots of your hair that have not been colored or something that you may have overlooked. Again, disclaimer. I am telling you guys these tips and tools to be used on coloring your hair using a rinse or a semi-permanent color. Don't go doing this stuff and combing and raking and irritating your scalp using a permanent color. I did not tell you to do that. Again, these are tips to be used to maintain your color if you are using a rinse or a semi-permanent color. Okay, y'all heard me? Great. Comb the color through, and then you will just wait the processing time, depending on what color you're using, generally about 20 to 25 minutes at room temperature if you are not covering gray. But definitely whatever color that you have decided to use for your color, read the manufacturer's instructions and proceed with that processing time and those processing instructions. My timer just ended, so I'm heading back to the shampoo bowl, and you can see that my color has what was creamy colored white looking when I put it on, has now oxidized and is now black like I like it. So it's time to thoroughly rinse the color out of my hair, and now I'm going to go in and apply my conditioner and sit with my conditioner so that I can moisturize my hair before molding and styling. When rinsing color from your hair, it is very, emphasis on very important that you thoroughly rinse the color from your hair. You will experience scalp irritation, itching, all kind of things that you don't want happening on your scalp can happen if you are not intentional to thoroughly rinse every trace amount of color from your head. Every amount of any product that you have on your hair needs to be thoroughly rinsed. So the temperature of the water can be medium to warm temperature when rinsing out your color. What you just want to make sure is that you are going all around your head just as thoroughly as you apply the color. You want to take the time to make sure that you get all of the color out. So don't forget to rinse thoroughly behind your ears, your neckline, way down on your neckline. Don't worry about wetting your shirt up. You would rather have a wet shirt on that you can take off than have color left around your edges or somewhere in your scalp and have scalp irritation. And it happens so much more often than you know. Sometimes people are dealing with and developing things on their scalps, and it is due to something as simply as not thoroughly rinsing out conditioners, shampoos, products that have been left in the hair. So always take the time to thoroughly rinse your scalp. So I am all set and ready to go. Got my black popping, and now I am moving on to adding my moisturizing conditioner. This is a vital part of coloring your hair. You want to make sure that you are keeping your hair hydrated. So I'm going in and making sure that I am massaging my scalp and adding the conditioner to all the areas, including the nape of my neck, my sideburns, and really getting my fingers in there and working the conditioner in to massage it. Anytime you massage your scalp, you are stimulating hair growth. So I'm getting on in there. This is the end of this video. You guys stay tuned. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you my conditioning treatment hacks to keep your hair hydrated and keep your strands strong. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.